Before we go do this, it's a ring to show you how to fix this. First, we need to loosen the seat bolts with an 18mm socket wrench. Loosen the bolts, but do not remove them. We are creating a gap to tuck in the liner. Before installation, clear the footwell of any loose debris. This scupper plug in the footwell, remove it. And this plastic rivet holding the trim, remove it. The center console, pull up to loosen. Now we arrange the Armorlite liner for installation. At the front of the footwell there is a post. Slide the liner up and secure it over the post. The floor liner is stiff, but it will bend and fold. Some effort is required to work the liner into position. And if the post hole doesn't line up exactly, don't worry about it. Just keep going. Don't be afraid to bend and fold the liner. You won't hurt it. It's dead inside. And just keep working it into position. Tuck the liner under the trim along the edges. And use a flathead screwdriver to tuck into tight areas. Lift the seat to tuck the liner under the brackets. Then center the drain holes. At this point, you'll want to install one of the plugs so that you can secure the liner as you tuck in the edges. All we need to do now is tuck any loose edges. Now back to our 18mm socket wrench so we can tighten down the seat bolts and really crank down on them. We want them tight. Now we secure the trim with the plastic rivet. You may need to use some gentle force, like it owes you money. And finally, we can secure the center console. Congratulations! You're done now. Time for treasure hunting. This was a bummer. Someone's already been through here. But look at this perfect low-tide beach. Now hang out with me to the end here. You'll see why. This rang up as a low tone. It ID'd around a 7, 1 arrow. But I had to show you this. Can you see it in there? Probably not. Let me edit this. There you go. First poll tab of 2023. Now I had to show you that just so that you could be initiated as a treasure hunter and truly appreciate how exciting it is to find what happens next. Take a look. This one rang in with a mid-tone. ID'd around 20, 3 arrows. It's a ring. So that was my first ring find of 2023. That was my first ring find ever. So let's clean it up.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life.
Thanks for watching.